Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer. Got my Christmas present early. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this Amazfit Verge watch. It just came out a couple days ago. But before I get into this unboxing, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I got an early Christmas present. I ordered this on December 18th. Wasn't expecting it so fast, but I got it today. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I haven't owned a Amazfit watch before, so I decided to pick up their new one. It's the Verge. I heard nothing but good things with the Stratus and also the Amazfit Bit. This company is called Huami, which is a sister company from Xiaomi. So I'm looking to bring more Xiaomi products into the channel anyway. The smartwatch is supposed to be really good. No, it does not run Google OS, Wear OS on it. It has a partner app that you download on your phone, which I'm gonna get into on a different video. This one, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing of it, maybe set it up and just go over the watch. All right, so let's get into this unboxing. That's enough of me talking. But look at the presentation, nice and pretty. Bam, it tells you the model number. Also gives you some specs really quick there too, which I'm gonna get into. Let's unbox this thing really quick. Tear up the box. Alright, so here we go. I'll definitely come back, like I said, with my first impressions. Bam. Put that on the side. Let's see what you get in here. Maybe I should do it this way. Look at that. Amazfit, if you can read that. Yes, I know I'm probably killing their names, but that's okay. Bam, the watch is right on top. Let's see what else you get. I haven't watched any videos on here. Oh, it tells you to pull that. Let's see what you get in here. So you get the charging cradle. Basic cradle. Hopefully you don't lose that because, you know, you'd be out of luck. See what else you get. Now you do get an instruction manual. Bam, it tells you how to set it up. Now you might want to read this, but I don't. And here's the watch itself. What y'all think about that? It's kind of light. Alright, so let's go over the watch really quick. Let's see if I have any power on this bad boy. Alright, so it's starting up. The band is pretty good. It's like this rubber type of material. You can change out the bands, which is a good thing. Alright, so you have your heart rate monitor. It looks like you have a microphone there. Then the speaker there too. Bam. Now you only have one button here. The orange button. That's actually pretty cool. What y'all think about it, let me know. While that watch is starting up, look at that. Now the sides are plastic. And look, it's a little bit thick. It's not the skinniest watch, but really light. Now everything seems like it's plastic on there too. But it has the easy release buttons. Alright, so while the watch is starting up, let's go over some specs really quick. Now you can pick up this watch from Amazon. I highly recommend you get it from their website directly. The Amazon is not even shipping yet. This one from their website is actually shipping. It comes in 3 different colors. The smoke gray, it comes in white, and then it also comes in a blue color. It also has GPS. You can answer incoming calls right on your wrist with an Android phone. So if you own iOS, you cannot answer calls. You can do basic notifications. You can check emails. It will send you notifications on your watch, like from Facebook and Twitter. Big thing for me, it's supposed to come with a 5-day battery life. We will test that out also. It is water resistant. It has an IP68 water resistant. The screen is a 1.3 inch AMOLED display, which is supposed to be really bright during the day. Has great colors on it, at least on what you see on the website. It comes with 11 different sport modes on there, so that's real good too. too. It also is supposed to have NFC and NFC based payments. We will definitely test that out. I don't know if it's going to work in the US or not. It comes with 512 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of ROM in here. It actually comes with 13 built-in watch faces. Okay, so that was the specs. Give me a minute. I'm going to actually set this up on my LG V40, come back, show it off to y'all a little bit more, and go over in some details with that, but I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I was able to go ahead and set up the watch. The first thing you need to do is download that Amazfit Watch app. Bam, there you go. Once you do that, it will set you through the process, and then here's the app itself, but here's the watch itself too. Look at that. That's a couple of the watch faces. The app is pretty easy. It has your heart rate. You can do different sports. And then if you go to me, it's all of your information, your account information, your status, my watch. My watch, if you go in there, it actually gives you the app settings, the widgets, and then you can select the watch faces. Bam, that's all you have right now. Hopefully they add more. I think you can actually get more. You can tell which one I'm using. And then once you start walking around, I haven't used it, I was just setting it up, but it tells you more there. Once you set it up, you can go into your status. We'll have how many steps. You can set up your goals. You can also learn about your sleep habits here too. So that's going to be pretty good. In the later video, I will definitely show you that too. Now you can tell I'm getting notifications. Let's check out the watch itself. Press the orange button. All right, so if you swipe down from here, it gives you your weather, the date. It also lets you go into your settings. You can change the volume, the brightness. The settings look like this. The animations are a little long, as you could tell there. But you can do upload, you can update it, feedback, and learn about the watch. Now, if you swipe up from here, it gives you your notifications. Bam, and you can swipe right and get rid of them. That's easy. You press the orange button, really doesn't do nothing. If you swipe to the left, it has the different things on here. Your health, your heart rate, your phone if you want to make a phone call, which I definitely tried already. Sounds really loud too, it's really good. Your weather, timer, you even have a stopwatch on here, and the settings too. So you can go through here and get the same settings. But here's the watch itself. Bam, if you want to check on the wrist, look, that's how it would look. Actually, it looks pretty good. So, pretty much, that's it with the video. I'm going to come back in a week or two, give you my first impressions. Also, let y'all know how I feel about it. Does it actually work? Can I put steps in here? And also, how does it work as a smartwatch? Answering the phone calls, texting on here, checking emails. I'll definitely come back with a different video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on this Amazfit Verge. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.